Go. Keep that back straight, Kim. Good lunge, good lunge, good lunges. Do 10 on each leg. Good job. Y'all sound like a dance team, got the steps in rhythm. Good job. Fight through that, Kim.
Huh?
Let's go. Get in there. Yeah, jump squats. Feel it. Keep that back straight. Kim, when you land, go straight into your squat. Don't land standing straight up. There you go. Come on, give me a little height with that jump. Look like you're two-stepping a little bit. One more. Come on, Kim, you cheated on me. One more. One more, Kim. Take off. Take off. Take off. Take off. I'll see y'all when y'all come back. Let's go. Go get it. Go get it. Come on, Kim. Go get it. Go get it, Kim. Go get it.